Dear parents and my little angels of Sankalp Gnanpit, Namaskar, a very warm welcome to the new academic session 2026. It is almost 3 weeks now since we opened the gate on 1st of July for all the students, and now our school is buzzing with lives. What I can observe is most of the students are coming with a lovely smile on their faces and adjusting comfortably in their classrooms. But few of the students are still holding your hands tightly and with lots of tears in their eyes. As a parent, as a director, I really understand what you must be feeling at this stage. There must be numerous questions arising to your mind, whether my child will settle here or not, whether he or she is safe here or not, whether he or she will be able to continue the school or not. Let me reassure you as a director that what you and your child is feeling right now is absolutely normal. Crying at the school gate doesn't mean that they dislike the school. It just means that they love you immensely and are trying to adjust in a new world. Our teachers are not just an educators, but they are also a surrogate parents. They know how to dry these tears. They know how to hug them comfortably. They know how to make them smile with lots of love, patience, and care. Believe me, the students, your kids are not just a student in our role, but they are part of our Sankalp Gnanpit family. All of us knows that this is a transition phase where a student come from a comfortable atmosphere ambience of the house and try to adjust with the other children. In one sense, they are trying to socialize. What I must say is it is really creditable. Some students may take time, but it is going to happen. These tears are turning into lots of stories about their friends and lots of stories about their teachers. As we all know, at this tender age, children are still trying to express themselves. So sometimes, maybe out of frustration or through play, they may push each other, they may pinch each other, they may sometimes insist the way they want to be. These are very common behavioral problems in the early ages of education. Our teachers sometimes may use a very firm disciplinary tone, sometimes scold them and teach them what is right and what is wrong. But as a director of Sankalp Gnanpit, I just assure you that we have a zero tolerance policy for physical punishment. We will never raise our hands on your children in any circumstances. This is what I want to promise you here. I need a partnership in your child's education with you. Do not stop sending your child to school, whether they cry while coming or whether they are having a small tiff with other children. Regular attendance is the only key to settle down comfortably in the classrooms. If we stop sending them in school regularly, the anxiety starts from the day one. That is what is needed to understand. Please trust our staff, trust our educators. They are not just an educators, but they are a surrogate parents of your children. So please let's have a partnership in growing loud, disciplined, and resilient children. So let's work together, send them regularly to school, and we are ready to welcome them at the doors. So thank you so much for trusting Sankalp Gnanpit for your child's education. Your trust strengthens us. Thank you.